Hello everyone, welcome to this month's mystery reveal. I am so excited. I feel like this year's mystery is fire. Every time I keep sending Kirsten one, she's like, when am I supposed to fit this in? It's so beautiful, I need to use it. And I'm like, Kirsten, I know. Like, I feel like the art is just like, ugh. And even in-shop custom art, like, I mean, y'all have seen. It's so good. So let's get into this. This is March 2022. Dang, oh. Mystery. I just cannot believe it's 2022. I remember I texted Nick a couple days ago and I was like, LOL, I saw a book was for pre-order for March 2022 and I was like, LOL, I'm not waiting a year. And then I was like, wait a second, it is March almost basically. So let's get into this. This kit is no longer available. So if you sign up next month, you would get a new completely different mystery kit. It's always exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. But if you were looking for this kit specifically, I would check out the buy sell trade, which I always link down below. And I also always put down there as well the date for the next opening if you want to sign up for next month's mystery. So let's get into this. I'm obsessed. This is a theme that I wanted to do for a while. I actually had Jessica mood board me for this for me, I think 3 years ago, and I just never got around to doing it. And then I think Kirsten mentioned it, and I was like, y'all, I have a mood board ready for this. Let's just do it. So this is March 2022 mystery, and I am obsessed. So I've been wanting to do a grungy 90s art set for so long, and y'all, this with the foil, it is beautiful. I am so happy with it. Jess obviously killed it as always, the artist. So let's go into this kit. Ugh, I just love this. And I feel like it's so trendy with the current like fashions as well. And I feel like a lot of us are 90s babies of sorts. So let's go through it. You have the two fashion options here. I love this one with the Jaws shirt, and then this is just a vibe. I love the outfit, the hair, everything. Then you have a stack of CDs with the cherry Coke on top with the daisies. You have pizza and the little Game Boy Color, the Discman, and the Dr. Pepper chapstick with the little Dunkaroos. Like, they have those out now and they're so good. You have a little fashion flat lay here and a caboodle with a Furby kind of peeking out from behind. And then look at this gorgeous scene here. I feel like the foil with this, I feel like goes with it perfectly. But I also feel like if you had a deep purple or if you wanted to go a little bit brighter, you could do a silver, a gold, a champagne lights, matte bronze, a brown if you had it. Dark red. I feel like there's a lot of foil options if you didn't want to use the one that comes with it. But like I said, I think the one that comes with it's really beautiful. Or the square black hollow would be also really cool if you wanted to switch it up from the blacks. So, and like, look at the socks on the floor. I just feel like the details here, come on. And then you look at the background, there's all different like little pop culture nods in there. So that is the full box page. You have the tall box here, which I just am obsessed with her. Look at her. Okay. Like the choker, her pigtails, the flannel, the boots, and also the patterns in this are amazing. You have the faux black glitter throughout. Tons of deco there. I love these colors. This isn't the old format, but the next few will be, because like I said in the new release video, we are quite ahead with production. So I think we were like 3 months ahead. So the next few will be in this format. But like I said in the new release video, I feel like the new format is mostly just like a kind of like a little glow up, not really a reformat even, because it's just kind of moved things around and added a couple things, took out a couple things, nothing crazy. I love these patterns, especially like the drippy smiley face and the daisies, the plaid bottom washi, which I'm just obsessed with, and then an extra fashion option here. You have the extra color, extra boxes, and then these ones here are more, you have like a flat lay and then some like VHS. I almost didn't remember what those were called. You have like Manic Panic, Great Lash, Hard Candy, another one of those Game Boys. Oh, I just love it. And I love this like denim blue color. I have just been so excited to use this kit. I'm going to try and find the perfect occasion for it, but I feel like it's a vibe. It's an anytime kit, which I love. So this is in the sparkle format, and it is a black sparkle foil. Let me go ahead and bring out my flashlight so you can see the sparkle in action. Oh, it's so beautiful, and I feel like it's perfect for this set. So you've seen the sparkle format. It was premiered in January Mystery in the matte bronze. So this has the 6 full boxes and the glitter header overlays. You have 2 of those. You have 2 of the bougie boxes, the script and icons page, as well as the bottom washi date numbers, the deco bits, and the fancy headers page. That is the ultimate kit. I am obsessed. I hope that y'all love it. I am just so excited for this year's mysteries, and I am planning on using every single one of them. And this one is probably so far one of my top 3 favorite. Next month also is one that I feel like a lot of people are going to be super obsessed with. There's just a lot, and I'm trying to like think a little bit outside of the box. Like I have some that I've never done anything like it before, which I'm really excited about. So this is the mini kit. So you have the full boxes, the deco page, the glitter header page, the mini kit page, the bottom washi, and then the freebie page is the label sampler, the 2 extra boxes, and then the extra color. And then the freebie in the mini kit, we just have a black matte sampler. I went with the bigger one for this, and this isn't sparkly, this is just the regular matte, but super, super cute. That is everything for this month's mystery. I hope that y'all love it. It is on its way to you if you are subscribed. Like I said, it is no longer available if you sign up. On the next sign up date, you would get a different mystery, which is also fantastic. Next month is so beautiful, completely different vibes though. It is just art though, which is just gorgeous. And if you're looking for this one in particular, I definitely check out the buy sell trade group and see if anybody posts theirs on there. But that is everything. I hope that y'all like this month's mystery, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.